Hello everyone, we are going to finish up this painting. So I did this painting a couple days ago. I added a little bit of color in here. So we're going to pretty much put a gloss coating over it. That's a protective coating. So I'm using the Mod Podge Gloss water-based glue sealer, and it's going to make a nice glossy color over it. Well, not color, it's going to make it nice and shiny. Oh boy, that did not. Way too much, way too much. I should have put on some gloves because there was a piece in here that was just a little too thick. But that's okay. We're just gonna, well, you know what? We might do a little bit extra. We have another painting that we're gonna work on, and I wanted it to be satin, but I guess it will be glossy. So we will save this, and then we're going to, we're just gonna open up both. I'm not open up both. We're just going to start both, and that's okay. I usually do a couple coats, but we're going to just work with it. It's going to be, we'll just bring it up just a hair and start like that. We'll just put that down. There we go. There's a little bit of this over here. I really didn't want to do that, but that's okay. We will turn that like that, because then that gets us completely up here on the board. Or the little paper. It's not the board, it's the paper. But that's going to get us completely in. And then we can use this other brush over here to completely get in here. Because there's some areas that we're going to have to do a couple little coats on. But I think now it's going to come out perfect. Both of these are going to be just fine, nice and protected, and they're going to come out really glossy, extremely glossy, and that's going to be fine. And then what we'll do, since we have this, we can take our other brush that I was looking at, and we can come in here and kind of clean this out. There's a couple of these that don't need to be completely doused or drenched like this. That doesn't need to be drenched like that one doesn't. I can just put that down here, and that's okay. Touch that up. Perfect. Okay. So we will let these dry. I'm going to go clean these brushes real quick. And then once we get these dry, it'll be really time to decide then. Do we put on another coat or do we let it be? But right now, it looks great. It looks fine. We'll let it dry, take some pictures, upload it later. All right. See you all next time.